what's up? I'm Rebuilder Guy, and this used to be a flooded and wrecked boat, but now it's completely ready for final assembly. If you want to watch the entire rebuild process, link is going to be in the top right-hand corner. We got the seats out here ready to be installed. There was some damage, as you guys remember, to this section here. It got repaired, looks nice and spiffy. Here there used to be a crack. We got that fixed as well. Here on the boat, I read some comments that you guys weren't sure what this line was. It goes all across the boat. It's actually to protect the rub rail when you're actually screwing it in, or when you are docking up to a dock, so when you hit it up against the wall and if there's a crack, it doesn't go past this line to the visible surface of the gel coat. Here on this side, we're all looking good. We're slowly putting things together. The swim platform needs to be put on as well. Let's check it out. It looks pretty good. I'm happy with the way it turned out. Just got to put on this sea deck here. Then we got to put on the prop as well. We're missing that. Then we have to put in some oil, and that's pretty much it. The fun part is going to be this tower. So first, let's start with the rub rail. Then we're probably gonna jump to this rack. Oh yeah, check it out. We even got some OEM speakers, and they do have the lighting as well, the overhead lighting. This should be a fun one. Let's get to work. The rub rail turned out pretty darn good, if I may say so myself, except for these screws. We have to go get some new ones from the store because the ones we already got, the heads are a little bit too big. The platform looks pretty good, except for the sea deck. Got to put that on. The prop is nice and snug, ready to push that water. I got some family members here that wanted to help out, because we really want to go boating. So let's pull this boat out, put this tower on. tower is on, bolted down, it really feels super sturdy. I could shake the whole boat with it. But the main test is gonna be once we're on the water. We have the windshields ready to be installed. Well, technically it's one windshield with one walkthrough. I'm ready for this. This is definitely gonna change the look of the entire boat. Windshield is on, and it's actually starting to come together and look just right. The next step is gonna be the Bimini top. It goes on top of that rack, and also we're gonna install the speakers on the backside here. Tim is installing the sea deck on the swim platform. Beautiful. Good job. All right, let's jump onto the tower and install that Bimini top. All right, the Bimini top is ready and installed for them hot summer days. Tim, you want to go ahead and show this transformer? Check this out. I think this is really cool. It's like whenever you're going underneath a bridge and you need to lower the tower, and the whole Bimini top goes forward. That is awesome. That's player. All right, now let's put everything together on the interior. And just like that, after about 5 months of hard work, the boat is ready for the water. The tower is in, the Bimini top is in, the surfboard is in the Bimini top. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. The rear speakers are connected, but they're not wired up yet because we're having an issue with the amp. I'll probably get a stronger one. The guys are feverishly cleaning up the boat so we could hit the lake today and enjoy this beautiful weather. I'm using this product here called lithium to clean up the boat. This is really good on that rub rail, and this is pretty good for the stuff inside. The seats, they don't slide after I use that product, and that's one thing that I didn't want to have an issue with. Inside, check this out. It is beautiful. Seats are in. Everything is absolutely perfect. In the next episode, guys, I'm gonna be talking about the prices. We're gonna be on the lake, we're gonna sit down, and we're gonna have a conversation if this was at all worth it. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and sharing. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
So guys, I'm the guy that wrecked the jet ski. Let's see what I can do with this thing.